Hello everyone, welcome to Talk a Topic. I am Hariyar. Here we are going to discuss about 5 reasons that would need from WHO to fight with COVID-19. Presently, whole world is suffering from this pandemic from last 3 months. Here the first one is helping countries to prepare and respond. It means WHO helps all suffering countries and make them advise or order to be prepared or more countries about this. It also says to make plan and according to that take actions against this deadly virus. All infected country they inform to the WHO to send them data and improve understanding for better future. Here, WHO also issued some relevant guidelines which all countries should act according to that. With partners, WHO set up the COVID-19 Solidarity Response Fund to ensure patients get the care they need. With donations from the government, private sector and individuals, more than $800 million has been received from the response. Second one is provide accurate information busting dangerous myth. Increasing the usage of internet, there is also spreading fake information quickly, which is making people infodemic. This is why WHO suggests people to refer official measuring. WHO is also producing accurate, useful guidance that can help save the lives. All around 50 pieces of technical advice of the public health workers in countries with evidence-based guidance on every element is working. To ensure information is current and helpful, WHO set up a team to give everyone access to timely, accurate, and easy to understand advice from trusted services. With this, it also doing daily situation reports and press briefings as well as government briefings for keeping the world informed about the latest data, inform and evidence. Social media platforms are also being part of this or they are Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok and WhatsApp. Third one is ensuring vital supplies reach frontline health workers. In this situation, we have to emphasize each and every person who is infected as well as who are involved in treatment like doctors, nurses, health staffs, etc. That's why personal protective equipments means PPEs is essential to ensure health professionals are able to save lives including their own. Data saying that WHO shipped more than 2 million items of PPE to 133 countries and more than a million diagnostic tests have been dispatched to 126 countries. On 8th April, WHO launched a UN COVID-19 Supply Chain Task Force, which aims to dramatically increase the supply of PPEs. Fourth one is training and mobilizing health workers. Coronavirus is not a known virus. That's why it needs trained health workers to fight with pandemic. WHO is aiming to train millions of health workers via its open health platform. Here we showed thanks to this online tool life-saving knowledge that transport to frontline personnels by the organization. This open WHO serves as a form of the rapid sharing of public health expertise and in-depth discussion and feedback on key issues. Till now, more than 1.2 million people have enrolled in 43 languages. Fifth one is the search for a vaccine. This is a great question that is coming to in our mind. Since February, world's 400 of researchers deployed in identifying the vaccine. The agency launched a solidarity trial and treatments. Before finding the vaccine, there is need to better understand the virus. We only hope that the vaccine will act on time.